So you want to start selling on Amazon, then you need a logo and identity for your business. We know what Pepsi looks like. We know what Amazon looks like, the smile. So same way for your business, you need an identity. And I'm going to show you how you can create a logo for your Amazon business in minutes with Canva. Literally, it will take minutes. Let's start. Hey guys, this is Farah. Welcome to my channel. We talk about building business on Amazon on this channel. If you're interested in that, then please do subscribe. So have you come up with a brand name or a company name? If you haven't, then this is the homework for you today, guys. You have to come up with a brand name for your company. Do some brainstorming, come up with some ideas. Don't just call it A to Z products. Make some effort, put some effort in. There's a cool website called Business Name Generator. I will link in the description below. You can use that and it will give you some AI generated name ideas based on the industry you put in. So you can put in fashion, beauty, kitchen supplies, whatever. You can put an industry in and it will give you some name ideas. You can use that to start your brainstorming session and come up with a brand name for your company. Once you have that, then we have to create a logo for your brand name, and that's what today's tutorial is all about. There are so many templates in Canva. You can edit and make your own, or there are options that you can use to build your logo from scratch. It's amazing. This will make your business look professional and legit. You will use this logo on your website, on your product page, on your product page graphics, on your packaging, the label, swing tag, outer packaging. There are so many places you can place this logo to reinforce your brand message, your brand identity, which on Amazon is so important that people know that they're not just buying from Amazon, but your company. So they come back and buy from you again and again. So you want to think long term from the very start and take care of this. So let's jump to my screen and I will show you how quick it is. So this is Canva's homepage. I've already signed into my Pro account and I'm just going to show you. You can just select your template from here. So I'm going to select a logo template, which is going to be 500 by 500 pixels. It's preset. You can just select from these templates. You will be able to edit any element out still or bring other elements in from other templates, but you just need to pick something to start with. So I'm just going to pick one from here and start. Let's assume we are designing a beauty logo, and I've just selected a natural makeup one because the colors and the fonts are already, they look cute for that sort of industry. I'm going to rename this. You can do this at the top, my new brand. I'm just going to type this in for now. So these blue boxes, it means that you can move each element, and the pink lines just show you where it'll be centralized. So I'm just going to get rid of this and type in a brand name. Let's just call it Farah's Natural Makeup for now. And see, I can move each element wherever I want. You could get rid of them, add different elements, which I will just show you in a second. But this is all centralized. So a basic logo done. Right, I just want to show you how the scale of templates available here, it's insane. So you can have a gaming logo, a badge logo. Just look at these are pre-done. All you need to do is just select one of these and you can repurpose them for your brand. I like to browse and see what I like. So Facebook Shops logo, look at this bright orange one. That really stood out to me. So let's try to edit this. It is so easy. I'll just quickly edit, and this logo could, go on a hot sauce. I'm gonna call it Ken's hot sauce. And you can just edit the tagline to whatever you need it to be. I'm just gonna write Mom's recipe. Mom's recipe, done. Okay, so I'll just show you how you can move these elements around. So you can move them around. You can also change their position. If you want to go them in the background, you can. So it's hidden now. You don't even need to be super creative. You can just move this into the middle, move text in the middle, and it'll look completely different. Move it around if you want to turn it any other way. I just want it straight, so I'm just going to place it in the middle, and I'm going to move all the text in here. I'll just need to change the color to white so we're able to see it on black. I'll select white, and I'll just move this in. There you go. A new template is, we've got a new brand created. And these things, like at the start of the business, don't seem so important, but they really are important, because these are the things people remember about you, about your brand. So again, fashion logo, just the templates are just endless. You can duplicate the page, move pages up and down, add notes, you can download this in PNG, which the pro features, these are the crown, where you see a little crown, that means it's a pro feature. You can select the page you want to download. So I want to download the page 1. And if you want to select the transparent background, which will help you place it on any other graphic easily. So just select that, which is a pro feature, means paid feature. It's not in the free plan. You can just download this and place this like you see on a business card or for our purposes on Amazon Graphics, anywhere. Just wanted to get in here really quickly and tell you guys that watch this video linked in the description and in the cards above. I show you how you can create product image graphics with Canva. Link will be in the description. It's really cool. Please do watch it. If you wanted to resize this to another purpose, for example, for a Facebook cover, or for your Instagram or a poster, let's select animated social media. Imagine you were promoting this on Instagram. It will resize immediately, and it'll give you options to animate this. So if you just select to the top, and there you go. You can download this as an MP4, and it'll be like a cool little animation that you can post on your page, and all done in Canva with just simple clicks. Now this styles is a new section just added to Canva, and it is insane. It's so good. You can create a brand from scratch, and it is amazing for beginners. So I'll show you. If you didn't want to use a template, you just wanted to start from absolute scratch, add a page. Okay. If you just wanted to select any of these trending combinations, trending means that a lot of the brands are using these colors and these fonts together, and these combinations are already made for you. So you can select any that suits your product industry and just create this and put this on your product or your service. So this is from absolute scratch. So I like this combination. I like the pastel colors. So I'm just going to edit this first. Add the brand name in. Let's call it Farah's Boutique. Farah's Boutique. I can reduce the size of this if it seems too big to me. I can just select a smaller size. You want your tagline to be smaller than your brand name. I'm just going to add it, modest fashion here. And I'm going to reduce the size to 28. Okay, I need to introduce my brand name size because it looks smaller. So I'll put 48 in. I'm happy with these because this is already a small image anyway. I want to add a pretty cute element now. So when you look for some fashion elements, you can look for whatever your industry, just put the keyword in: beauty, gaming, sauce, whatever it is. I like this line element. Let's see what it looks like. Doesn't really go, but look, you can resize it, place it wherever you like. I'm going to keep looking. I like this diamond element. So I'm going to add this, resize it, and just try to grab this layer and just place it on the top where the pink lines are indicating that it's in central. And there you go, my new brand logo is created, and I can just print it out, put it on my product, packaging, and put it on my Amazon listings anywhere I want. I quickly wanted to show you the Canva packages, especially the Pro package that I'm signed up to. I have signed up for the full year, $8.99 per month. But if you're just going to use it for a couple of months, you can sign for $10.99 per month. Link is in the description below. Feel free to use it. And I use it for multiple things. I've just shown you how I've just created a brand like for 3 different ways from scratch and using templates. Especially for the Amazon purposes, creating graphics yourself is so important. And especially using the background remover feature, I use it every day. It's a lifesaver. In all honesty, I only found about Canva last year and it really changed my life, and it made it so much easier because I was paying so much money to freelancers and small agencies to create graphics for me, and it was the results were not always great and they were a bit naff, and I used to think how can I make this better, and then I started looking for a solution and I found Canva, and since then I have literally upgraded my listings. I've made my listings so much better. So trust me when I say this, that this one subscription for Canva is worth every penny for an Amazon business, because we are listing new products all the time. We have to update our product pages, and it's really useful that you can just do all of this yourself, and also you're learning a new skill. You can create your own socials for posting on social media. So this one is a really essential tool for my Amazon business. You can use Canva for free, but for Amazon purposes you need the Pro version, because we need the background remover and we need stock photos to create graphics, which the good ones are only on the Pro version. So it's totally worth $8.99 per month for the year, or if you just want to use it for a couple of months while you get your listings up and ready, you can just sign up to the monthly package, which is $10.99 per month. Link is in the description below. It's up to you guys, but it's one really essential tool to really convert your customer better on product pages on Amazon. As Amazon says, better images mean better sales on Amazon. So yeah, I hope you found this video useful. I will see you guys next week. Some people have been asking about Facebook group. A link is in the description below for it. You can join it. Yeah, post questions there. I will answer them, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.